Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you appreciated our singer showcase for this evening. Let's give all of our singers a round of applause. We have an awesome, amazing lineup for next Friday night. You guys make sure you get out. We're going to be doing a little bit of new school country. Some of the top 40s and a lot of other stuff. So you guys come out and see us. We're going to start karaoke here in about 5 seconds. As soon as I play a song, and Here, I got a friend of mine back here behind me here. I'm going to get him to sing a song for you. That's what we're going to do.
I am, he said. I said, well, I didn't know. He said, I turned 65 about 11 months ago. I was sitting in Miami pouring blended whiskey down when this old gray black gentleman was cleaning up the lounge. There wasn't anyone around except this old man and me. The guy who ran the bar was watching Ironside on TV. Uninvited, he sat down and opened up his mind on old dogs and children and watermelon wine. Ever had a drink of watermelon wine, he asked. He told me all about it, though I didn't answer back. Ain't but three things in this world that's worth a solitary dime: but old dogs and children and watermelon wine. He said women think about theyselves when menfolk ain't around, and friends are hard to find when they discover that you're down. He said, I tried it all when I was young and in my natural prime. Now it's old dogs and children and watermelon wine. Old dog, care about you even when you make mistakes. And God bless little children while they're still too young to hate. When he moved away, I found my pen and I copied down this line about old dogs and children and watermelon wine. I had to catch a plane up to Atlanta that next day, and as I left my room I saw him picking up my change. That night I dreamed in peaceful sleep of shady summertime and old dogs and children and watermelon wine.
Ladies and gentlemen, sorry about that. Sorry about that. This is David Van Landing that will be here on February 14th. I will tell you, he's the former lead singer for the Michael Schenker Band. You know your music.
Time together and time to spare, time to look, time to care. Someday, somewhere, we'll find a new way of living.
This gentleman will be here on February 14th.
We'll find a way of forgiving somewhere. There's
All right, Steve.
place for us somewhere, a place for us. Time together and time to spare, time to love, time to care. Someday, somewhere, we'll find a new way of living.
I have days where I hate my job. This little town and the whole world too. And last Sunday when my Bucks lost, Lord, it put me in a bad mood. I have moments when I curse the rain, then complain when the sun's too hot. I look around at what everyone has, and I forget about all I've got. But I know I'm a lucky man. God's given me a pretty fair hand. Got a house and a piece of land, a few dollars in a coffee can. My old truck's still running good. My ticker's ticking like they say it should. I've got supper in the oven, a good woman's loving, one more day to be my little kid's dad. Lord knows I'm a lucky man. Got some friends who would be here fast. I could call them any time of day. Got a brother who got my back. Got a mama who I swear's the same. Got a brand new rod and reel. Got a full week off this year. Dad had a close call last spring. It's a miracle he's still here. But I know I'm a lucky man. God's given me a pretty fair hand. Got a house and a piece of land, few dollars in a coffee can. My old truck's still running good. My ticker's ticking like they say it should. I got supper in the oven, a good woman's loving, one more day to be my little kid's dad. Lord knows I'm a lucky man. Oh, my old truck's still running good. My ticker's ticking like they say it should. I got supper in the oven, good woman's loving. Even my bad days ain't that bad. Yeah, I'm a lucky man. I'm a lucky man.
It's like trying to see the light with eyes that can't be open. Yeah, we both carry baggage we picked up on our way. So if you love me, do it gently, and I will do the same. We may shine, we may shatter. You may be picking up the pieces here on after. We are fragile, we are human, we are shaped by the light we let through us. We break fast, 'cause we are glass. 'Cause we are glass. I'll let you look inside me, through the stains and through the cracks. And in the darkness of this moment, you see the good and bad. But try not to judge me, 'cause we've walked down different paths, but it brought us here together. So I won't take that back. We may shine, we may shatter. We may be picking up the pieces here on after. We are fragile, we are human, and we are shaped by the light we let through us. But we break fast, 'cause we are glass. We might be all in water.
All right, we're going to get Brigette up while we try to find out why the lights aren't working.
Burn like
David or Mike, can you come up here to the booth, please? David or Mike? Nathaniel, see if you can find one of them. I need lights.
we
No.
may shine, we may shine.
Brigette said she'd sing in the dark.
Maybe picking
She loves
up
the dark.
pieces here on after.
Because she's the light.
We are fragile, we are
You see how I got out of that?
and we are shaped by the light.
Y'all ready for some Journey? You gotta help me sing. Help me sing, please. Woo!
We'll get some light in a minute.
I'm good.
Maybe.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Alright. And just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. It's Friday, Uncle Mike's, everybody say you. A singer in a smoky room, smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard, their shadows searching in the night. Street light people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night.
Yeah, that's Brigette Diaz. Brigette will be in our singer showcase in a few weeks. Desiree. Speaking of singer showcase, here's one of our singer showcase participants up on the wall up here. We're going to get her to sing for you.